Oh my gosh. Okay, ready?
Okay, go. 3, 2.
Don't count down, you know how I am about timing. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am smiling so huge right now because this is probably the most exciting video I have filmed to date. I am so excited to share everything with you guys. I kind of teased in my last video that we were launching something, and we have launched a product today. So we have been kind of playing around with the idea for this brand, and we were inspired to do this brand like over 2 years ago. And we also had the idea for this specific product almost a year ago. So it's so surreal for me to be able to be sitting down and sharing with you guys the products that we have created. So over 2 years ago, I was looking around in my makeup collection and things, and I think I was going on a trip or something, and I realized that I just couldn't find a makeup bag that fit my aesthetic, that fit all of my needs, because sometimes I have a lot of makeup that I want to take with me or store somewhere, and I couldn't find that happy medium between something that was my aesthetic and something that actually like fit into my life and had a purpose and something that solved my problem. And so I knew that I wanted to create a makeup bag a long time ago, and I started coming up with designs over 2 years ago, and something just didn't feel right. Nothing was really matching up. It wasn't really the thing that I was looking for. And so I started to ask you guys for help. So I put together a private Facebook group where I asked a few of you guys to join. I started just picking your brains and kind of seeing what you like to use when it comes to makeup bags, how you like to store your makeup, how you like to travel with makeup, and all of that. So after getting feedback from the group, and also after like observing women in my life, and also kind of observing my own habits and my own way of packing makeup or storing makeup, I realized one common thing, and that is how different everybody is. For example, my travel makeup bag might be someone else's complete entire makeup collection that they like to store in their bathroom where they like to get ready. So I found that everyone's needs varied, and so when I sat down with my husband to design this design that I'm going to show you guys, I knew I wanted to create something that was going to kind of fit all of everybody's needs no matter what they were. So something that you could kind of break down into smaller components or add something together to create something a little bit larger but function all together seamlessly. So this has really been a labor of love for my husband and I, because we actually don't have management. There was no third party involved. It really was just the two of us, like my husband and I, and the inspiration we took from the Facebook group that helped us create this product. It's all self-funded, and it's just, I don't know, I'm just so excited to show you guys. So, okay, so let's just get into it. I have 3 bags to show you. The brand name is just Allie Glines. I wanted to use my name for this brand. I just felt like it made sense, and it's been a dream of mine for a really long time. So this is the first of the 3 bags. Let's get into it. I'm so excited and nervous to show you guys. Okay, here it is. This is the first bag. This is called the Everyday bag, and it's in the size small. When you order it, you'll get a satin drawstring bag, which I love, and it's reusable, so you're kind of getting 2 bags, I guess, with this. So when you open it up, you're gonna see the bag inside, and it comes with a little note from Tylen, my husband, and I. And then here is what it will look like when it is shipped to you. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that I'm like actually showing this on camera. So I obviously have one that's opened and new so that I can show you a little bit more. So again, this is the Everyday bag in the size small. It is tiny but mighty, you guys. This is like one of my favorites. Well, I can't really choose a favorite, but this one really does fit so much more than you think it will just by looking at it. So I'm gonna show you guys up close. It's a gray-blue Saffiano vegan leather. The Saffiano just means it has a little bit of a crosshatch detail to it, which I think adds a little bit of luxury. I love it. There's a clear window on the front, which makes it really easy for you to see all the products inside, and then the logo is right here on the bottom. So the zipper pull is rose gold, and it also has the logo on it. I love how these open all the way up because it makes it really, really easy to access all the products that you have in here. So like I said before, this fits a lot more than you would think. I actually am able to fit a full face of everyday makeup in here, and I like to use this bag on occasions where I don't need to take too much makeup with me if I'm traveling, or if I'm on the go, or if I'm running late in the morning and I need to just like grab a full face of makeup and take it with me. So that's what I have packed in this bag right here, you can see how much it fits in here. It actually has an entire full-sized massive foundation. I can fit powders, eyeshadow palettes, blushes, you name it. So my second favorite way to use the small bag is for storing and organizing my compacts. This is so satisfying, you guys. All of my compacts, or most of them, will fit upright, so you can literally put them in there like a filing cabinet and they stay upright. The zipper closes perfectly on top. You can fit so much in there. It's my absolute favorite. It is so satisfying to be able to pack my makeup or store or organize my makeup like this. So here's the little compacts. You can see how they're all lined up in a row. It makes it so easy to be able to see everything that you brought instead of having things on top of each other if you want to pack it this way. It's just so satisfying to pack your compacts in a row like that. So my third favorite way I discovered randomly in the design process of this whole thing. We had a couple of prototypes and I thought to myself, I wonder how nail polish fits inside. And you guys, it fits like a charm. So you can actually fit standard nail polishes also standing upright. The zipper closes perfectly and seamlessly over top of that. So if you're somebody who is a nail polish junkie and you need a way to organize your nail polishes in a quick and compact way, this is a great way to do it. So I'll just show you the bags that I have right here. And again, it closes so nicely on top of it. Look how satisfying that is. This is my favorite. I love this one so much. So this is just a standard size nail polish. This is from Lights Lacquer. As kind of a reference, a lot of nail polishes are this shape and size, but I also tried it out with a little bit more of an odd shaped nail polish and it works really well as well. So these are my Olive and June nail polishes. They are more circular and it works great as well. So, I mean, you can really use these for anything. That was another thing that we really wanted to make sure of, is that things weren't labeled or compartmentalized too much to where it was restricting. I wanted to make sure that you guys could use your creative freedom to let these bags fit into your life the way that you would want them to. So that is the small bag. These are honestly just the perfect shape and size for organizing or for traveling or whatever you need to use these for. It also fits really, really nicely in a standard drawer and it closes really perfectly. So if you're somebody who stores your makeup or nail polish or hair care in your drawers in your bathroom, it will fit in your drawer so you can keep things organized there. All right, you guys, so that is the first product. Again, this is the everyday bag in small. Let's move on to the second product, or the second bag, I guess I should say. Ta-da! All right, you guys, this is called the everyday bag and it's in the size medium. So very similarly to the small bag, you get a drawstring. Obviously, it's a little bit larger to fit the larger size bag. You will also receive a little note in this as well. And here is a little sneak peek of what the bag looks like. Again, I have one right here to show you. It's the same color. You guys, this is my favorite color, by the way. I don't know if you could tell by now. It's literally been like the color of my background, the color of my whole YouTube channel. It was my wedding color, and also my entire house, the walls are painted this color. It's my favorite. So I hope you guys love the color as much as I do. It just sparks a lot of joy for me. Okay, so here's the everyday bag in the size medium. It's the same concept as far as the clear window on the front, the same gray blue Saffiano vegan leather, and the rose gold zipper. This bag is another favorite. Like I said before, I don't think I can like choose favorites, but I get so much use out of this bag for a few reasons. First of all, it is like the perfect standard makeup bag. It will fit a full face and more in here, so it's really great for that kind of a situation. It also has been my toiletry bag for a while now. It fits so many products in here. It also fits a lot of full-size hair products as well. Like I fit entire dry shampoos in this bag, so it's also a bag that fits a lot more than you think it will, which is great. Here's one right here that I have packed full of toiletries. You can see the full-size dry shampoo in there. This is such a great bag for so many things, and again, it's just the perfect size to where you can also use it to organize your drawers in your bathroom or at your vanity if you need to. It's the same height as the small bag, so it's going to fit into a drawer perfectly as well. So here's another example of the everyday medium bag packed with makeup. You actually can fit pretty large palettes in here. I can fit my entire Natasha Denona palettes in the bottom, which is crazy because those seem so large, but they actually fit really beautifully into this bag. But again, this is so versatile. You could seriously use it for makeup, hair care, skincare. If you're a mom and you're on the go, I mean, you could put diapers and wipes in here if you wanted to and throw it in your diaper bag. It's really just meant to be used however you guys want to. So that is the everyday bag in the size medium. Another one of my favorites, you guys. I love both the small and medium so much. I honestly cannot choose between the two. All right, so I have one more bag left to show you, and this, you guys, is my dream makeup bag. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, I wanted to create something that could be broken down or also built up into something more when I needed it to be that way. And so I took the small and the medium bag and I wanted to create a system that worked together, that was easy to organize, easy to travel with, easy to kind of break down and take out the bags if I needed to. It's easier to show you than it is to tell you. So I'm gonna share with you guys my dream makeup bag. Literally, this is my favorite. Well, they're all my favorite. This one is quite a beast. Listen, this is my dream. I am so extra. Sometimes I need to pack a lot of makeup, or sometimes I need to store a lot of makeup somewhere, and this was my solution. So without further ado, this is the full bag collection. Ta-da! This is so incredible, you guys. I cannot wait to show you this. Again, the makeup bag will come in a drawstring satin bag, and this one's a little bit bigger. Alright, you guys, so here is the full bag collection. Oh my gosh, it's a little bit different than the other ones, and I will explain everything in just a second. Okay, let me grab the other one. Okay, here is my personal full bag collection. It is full of makeup right now. This is the exact same color, the exact same material, but this time we made the logo rose gold just to add a little special touch, and this time there are double zippers. It also has a handle at the top for easy carrying, obviously, and also storage. It's so heavy. So my husband has been here this whole time filming the background, and I would like to invite him to the stage.
Okay,
Welcome.
Hi everybody, I'm so excited I could hardly contain myself watching Allie film.
Okay, so Tylen is going to help me demonstrate
I will
this
lift.
bag. So we have the double zippers right here. And this is full of makeup, like I said, so I'll show you exactly how I like to pack things. So we have a clear pocket right here with a little rose gold zipper as well. I love to store things like mirrors and fans in here, also makeup wipes, Q-tips, cotton pads, things like that. Tweezers, any extra little doodads. Nail clippers, you got it.
Bobby pins, hair ties.
Yes, okay, so we purposefully left some space on the top to store larger palettes because that was an issue that I ran into over and over again. None of my bigger palettes would fit into the makeup bags that I had. So these are two larger palettes that you guys are probably familiar with, and this one, you guys. It's incredible how large this palette is and how it fits in the top.
Biggest eyeshadow palette probably, right? Like
it is.
Ever. Like Jaclyn Hill's palette, and even James Charles is a little smaller than that.
Yep, and this one fits on top. So you might recognize these guys
Our
right
friends.
Here. So this is the system that we created, and hopefully it makes sense to you now how you can take one of these bags if you need it and just use that because they are such high quality that they're standalone bags, or you can use them as a system together and organize them however you guys want to in this entire full bag collection. So this entire collection comes with one everyday bag in the size medium and two everyday bags in the size small. It's kind of a modular system. You can kind of shift them around however you want. We also left some space in the back behind the smaller bags so that you can store any other palettes you want to and slide them back there. I've even put hairbrushes or like my vitamin case back there before when I'm traveling. So this right now is sorry, are you
No,
like...
it's good. I just feel like I'm in a commercial or something.
QVC. Okay, so this entire bag is organized obviously for makeup. I usually do my face, my eyes, and my lips or something like that when I use it for entirely makeup because sometimes there are situations where I need this entire bag for just makeup. Some other situations I might not, so I will switch things out and I will replace it with toiletries or anything like that. Are you gonna demonstrate? So we will demonstrate. So I'll use it like that as well. You can do toiletries, hair, makeup, toiletries, makeup, toiletries, hair. I mean...
But think about like those of you who might be in school or just like maybe share an apartment with somebody. Like when you go to the bathroom, maybe you'll just take your bathroom bag with you, and then you go back to your room and you're getting ready and you have your makeup. Like, it's just, there's just so many different fun things. Sorry, I'm so passionate.
No, I love it. And it's also sturdy enough to where if you are somebody who stores your makeup, or if you are in school or at college or something like that and you need to store your makeup underneath your sink or underneath your bed, it's sturdy enough actually to stand up sideways and fit in those areas as well. So it has seriously been a game changer for me. I've been able to use it, like I was saying, for over 6 months now, and I don't think I can go back to any other way of packing or storing or organizing my products. So yeah, you guys, that is it.
This is crazy.
This is so wild. The site is live. You guys can shop all of these products at allieglines.com. So we have a bit more information that we're going to share with you guys in a second. We wanted to talk about pricing really quickly though. It was our goal to create something that was affordable and luxury all at the same time. We really worked hard to choose the highest quality materials for you guys at the most affordable price possible. And I'm really proud of all of this, and I really love the quality, and I hope you guys do too. So let's start with the everyday bag in small. This will retail for $24. And then the everyday bag in medium will be $34. And then the full bag collection, which again has the full outer case, 1 everyday medium bag, and 2 everyday small bags. All together, you'll get the entire thing. That will retail for $84. Okay, also, I wanted to just give a little small shout out to this guy right here, because seriously, this would not have been possible at all without Tylen. You guys, he is brilliant. So brilliant. He was the one who was doing all of the really difficult things behind the scenes. As I was picking pretty colors and designs, he was really working with the manufacturers directly and was handling all of that. So thank you, babe, for making this happen with me. Like, we have been a solid team through this, and I can't wait for you guys to get these in your hands and to be able to use them, because again, it was just such a labor of love for us, and I'm so proud of it, and I hope you guys enjoy it, honestly. And also, this is just the beginning. We are in this for the long haul. Like, we want your input, we want your feedback. If you guys want to join the Facebook group, we will have that link down below, and you can help us create future products. But yeah, I want your feedback. I want to make this something that will fit into your everyday lives. So I hope you enjoy everything, and I can't wait to keep creating things with this brand. We already have so many other products in mind and so many other things in the works. So I'll let you talk about shipping and things like that, because Tylen's the one who's been kind of handling the logistics of that. So as far as shipping goes,
we are super excited because obviously so many of you are not in the United States. You are all around the world. So we have so many countries that we will be shipping to today from day one. So we have international shipping. That information will be on the website. We have like a little shipping page. You can scroll to the bottom and click shipping. You can see all the countries that we are shipping to. And we also worked with someone to get really good rates, especially for the small and the medium. And of course, the bigger case costs a little bit more for shipping because it's super heavy. It's like 4.5 pounds with the box. So internationally, it's a little bit more, but you will get it in like 2 to 5 days. The small and the medium, it's a lot more affordable, but that'll take a little bit more time internationally. But the big one, the full bag collection, will ship super fast, like 2 to 5 days you should get it.
Which is insane for international.
And then of course, domestically, if you are here in the United States, then your shipping will be calculated at checkout. And we worked super hard to get the rates as affordable as possible, especially since the products are big and they're obviously, you can't put them in an envelope. They all have to go out in pretty big boxes. So we're super proud, and we're always going to be changing and updating and making things better. But we tried to do as much homework as we could before today. So
you guys can also follow this brand on Instagram. It's just at Shop Allie Glines, and we will keep you guys updated, answer questions. And we would also love to see any photos that you guys have. If you want to tag us when you receive your bags, we would love to see it. And I'm just so happy, you guys. I'm so excited to be able to be sharing this with you. And I just want to say thank you for all of your support. You guys seriously mean the world to me, and the fact that you even come and watch my videos on YouTube just makes my entire life complete. Like, you are the reason why I'm able to do this, why we're able to do this. It makes it so that I'm able to live my dream. And so whether you purchase a bag or not, you guys, just your support means the absolute world to us, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And if you do end up purchasing something, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you love it as much as I do. There is so much more to come, but I hope you guys enjoy this first initial launch with our first initial collection, and I think that's
Yeah.
almost
Just
everything,
know
right?
that it comes from our heart directly to you. Like, we truly, there's no one in between us. Like, we're just working directly with you, and we hope you can feel that love. We really wanted to create and work on something that made the world a better place in a small way, or easier to organize, and made you happy. And we just wanted to make something that like added to the world. So
Totally. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to us. I will have all that info down below if you want to contact us. We're literally like the customer service team. We have the design team. We're
we
the
did
PR
the whole
team.
website, everything. It's literally just us two.
We're
so
the media team.
it's fun though. We love it.
It is
it's
fun.
So fun. It's a little crazy, but it's fun.
But it's fun because it really does mean that it's direct from you guys to us, and we can call the shots and make the decisions from there. So we want your help, we want your feedback, and we hope you enjoy everything. So yeah, I'll have the website linked down below. Everything is live. You guys can check it out. It'll be linked in the description. And
She will see you on Thursday.
I will see you on Thursday with another YouTube video. Thank you guys again for everything.
That's all.
And that's all. Okay.
Wrap it up.
Sorry.
We love you.
We love you guys
We
so
love you
much, and I'll
so,
see
so,
you
so,
in
so,
my
so
next
much.
video.
Love you.
Bye. You're really good at that. You must edit my videos too.
Yeah.